Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 folding e-bike battery. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is 36V e-bike battery. Specifications: capacity 10 Ah, voltage 36V, type lithium battery, certification CE. Item number 4 is folding electric bike silverfish battery. Specifications: brand name Trilupo, capacity 10-20 Ah, voltage 36V, type lithium battery, watt hours 374.4 Wh 630 Wh, cell model Chinese powerful cells, battery size 388 by 110 by 75 mm, shell material ABS plus aluminium alloy. As the item number 3, we've selected XH370-10J folding e-bike silverfish battery. Specifications: brand name Trilupo, capacity 10-20 Ah, voltage 36V, 48V, 52V, type lithium battery, battery style silverfish, capacity 10.4 Ah, 13 Ah, cell model 18,650 powerful cells, charger 2A, battery size 388 by 113 by 75 mm, battery color silver. Item number 2 is bike replacement battery. Specifications: brand name Trilupo, battery type folding e-bike framed lithium battery, rated voltage 48V, rated capacity 14 Ah, watt hours 672 Wh, cell model LG/Samsung 18650 cells, battery size 466 by 103 by 43 mm, shell material ABS plus aluminium alloy. On the top of our list at number 1 we have DCH006 folding e-bike battery. Specifications: capacity 10-20 Ah, voltage 48V, type lithium battery, certification CE.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.